still have a 1990 Buick Century. This is what it's gonna be to change the donut gasket, the entire rack and pinion, frame that holds it, take them apart in the car so that you can get the rack and pinion out, including the motor mount. Yep, I'll show you. Okay, see that donut ring right there? You see right here, this is where your rack and pinion mounts across. Well, the problem is you have to take it all out. As you can see, it bolts right in through here to get the donut flange gasket out. Well, the bolts broke, so I put new bolts and made sure I tightened a little bit more than it was factory. But yeah, I know they're not perfect bolts. I know nothing's perfect, but it is a 1990. But yep, that's what you're dealing with at the back of the motor. Take all those parts out. Alright, I wouldn't do this if this car didn't have 130,000 original miles, believe me.